Hi, my name is Joseph Brutus. I am with Handyman of America, and today I'm going to show you how we maintain this beautiful Navien hot water on demand hot water units. And we begin working on the unit first by shutting it off and removing the cover. And once we have the unit cover off, we'll begin to set the machine up so that we can clean it. Several areas that needs to be cleaned. Number one is the filter here on top. All you need to do is just remove the screw here, but remove that and then you can just pull out the filter and toothbrush it. There's certain areas in the bottom that needs to be taken care of. There's a filter in here. Remove that. Also, there's another water filter in here. Just unscrew that and clean it. Removing this filter is very easy. Just pull out the bottom, and then you can remove it. Just make sure you have the water shut off before you do anything. And here you're looking at the condensation neutralizer. What this thing does is it neutralizes the acid from the condensation before it goes into the sewer system. So whenever it needs changing, just change it. This is a dual machine, and so when you shut off one, they're connected in cascade mode. So one is the master and the other one is the slave unit. We're working on the slave first. So on the master unit, you might get an error like this one over here, E736. That indicates there's a communication error, so ignore that. Once you have the pump connected, make sure you have the valves properly open and properly closed. So make sure your incoming water and outgoing water is shut off the valves, and then you just turn the let's say on the pump side, you just turn it on, and make sure also you turn the other one on, so this way the pump can circulate throughout the machine. Also, before you forget, behind this unit here, there's dip switches. On some of these models, this dip switches enables the pump to run through the machine. If you don't set the dip switches, it's not going to work. So pour about 2 gallons worth of vinegar into a bucket, 5-gallon bucket. Any kind of white vinegar is good. Once you have the proper valves and the hose is connected, make sure the valves are either on or off. Incoming and outgoing water should be off, and the circulation valve should be on. Just turn on the machine. And make sure you plug your pump when you're doing this. And so here we go. Let the machine run and begin circulating. So in this particular case, our machine is dip switch number 6. So once you set that, it'll open up the solenoid and allow you to purge the whole heat exchanger with vinegar. If you have done this right, you'll see that the pump is pumping right through the heat exchanger, and your machine should be off. Rinse the unit with clean water afterwards. Now that the two units are connected back together, make sure they both work by turning on the hot water. You can see this one is the master. It's got the M symbol on it. And thank you for watching our video. Again, my name is Joseph Brutus. I'm with Handyman of America, New Jersey Oil and Gas. That's our DBA. Thank you.